Hi everyone, I'm Simran from Epicred. Today I want to tell you a real story, a story of a student who had just 8 days left for his visa interview and absolutely no time to make a mistake. You know how parents panic in these moments, how students stop sleeping because every hour suddenly feels important. Well, this is exactly what happened with Rohit from Pune. The story begins so. The Rohit calls us one evening and completely stressed, of course. He had secured admission to a top US university. His I-20 has arrived, the visa slot was booked, but the biggest thing was missing, which was his education loan. And like most of the students, he thought that let me try my bank first. He went to a big public sector bank and the officer said it would take 3 to 4 weeks because the file is long, collateral needs verification and there is a queue, right? But he did not have 3 to 4 weeks. He had just 8 days. That's when he reached out to us at Epicred. So let's understand how we solved this case step by step. First, we studied his profile in detail, the course, university ranking, co-applicant income, documents, everything. Because see, this is the part most of the students never understand. Every lender has different rules. And if you pick the wrong one, you lose your days and sometimes even weeks, right? Second, based on his documents and timeline, we instantly filtered the lenders that couldn't work for him. We removed all the options that needed the collateral valuation, the long legal checks, and the slow branch processing. Third, we matched him with the lender that was fastest for his profile, a private bank with a track record of moving files quickly for the top ranked US universities. So banks like ICICI Bank, Union Bank of India and study abroad lenders like Credila each have different approval timelines. So choosing the right one makes all the difference. And fourth, a team personally coordinated every document, his co-applicants' income papers, property details not required for this lender, the academic records, admit letter, everything was checked, formatted and submitted the same day. So by the day 2, the lender had already initiated the verification. By day 3, his tele-verification was done. By day 4, we received the approval message and on the day 5, his loan was officially sanctioned. When we emailed him the sanction letter, he called us back and honestly he was just grateful he could walk into his visa interview confidently. His parents couldn't believe it and he said something we will never forget, that he wasted 10 days going from bank to bank and he should have come to us earlier. So why this happens to so many students? Well, first, students don't realize that timelines matter just as much as the interest rate. Secondly, they apply to the wrong bank, one that's not suited for their university level or the documentation type. And the third, they think speed depends on the luck, when in reality it depends on matching your profile to the right lender. That's exactly why we created Epicred, to remove this guesswork. So if you have deadlines coming up, I-20, CS, GIC or visa, please don't walk and don't go lender by lender hoping someone will say yes quickly. Let us match you to the bank that fits your profile and your timeline. Create your profile on epicred.in and my team will guide you exactly the way we guided Rohit, with clarity, speed and zero last minute panic. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.